Top 5 Best Drones in 2021, which one is the best for you? Number 1. See the bigger picture. Equipped with a Hasselblad L1D20C camera with a 20MP 1 CMOS sensor, the Mavic 2 lets you capture gorgeous aerial shots in stunning color detail. Please update the firmware version of your Mavic 2 to 01.00.00.00 or above via the app Tips or DJI Assistant 2 on a computer before using. After upgrading, you can use the new features such as hyperlapse to experience the super amazing shooting effect of Mavic 2. Up to 31 minutes flight time, 44 miles per hour max speed, 907 g takeoff weight, 3-axis gimbal for steady shots, 8 GB internal storage, SD card support up to 128 GB. Functions include Active Track 2.0, omnidirectional obstacle sensing, hyperlapse, low noise design, adjustable aperture, HDR photos. Number 2. The Phantom 4 Pro V2.0 camera drone comes equipped with a 3-axis motorized gimbal and a 1-inch 20MP CMOS sensor with a mechanical shutter that eliminates rolling shutter distortion. The standard controller features a smartphone holder. You will need to install the DJI Go 4 app on your phone to fly your drone. The Phantom 4 Pro V2.0 offers intelligent flight modes such as Tap Fly, Active Track, Draw Mode, Gesture Mode, and more. Draw lets you control the flight path with a fixed altitude simply by creating a route on the screen. DJI Go 4 app requires iOS 10.0.2, Android 5.0 or above. What you get: DJI Phantom 4 Pro V2.0, remote controller, intelligent flight, battery, charger, power cable, 4x propellers, pair, gimbal clamp, micro SD card, 32 GB, micro USB cable, carrying case. Number 3. The Mavic Air 2 camera drone takes power and portability to the next level. It combines a powerful camera with intelligent shooting modes for stunning results. Capture impressive 48MP photos with a half-inch CMOS sensor while the 3-axis gimbal provides 4K/60fps video. The secret to incredible HDR video is a high-performance quad-Bayer image sensor. An impressive flight time of up to 34 minutes allows you to pull off epic, fast-paced shots. Obstacle sensing in 3 directions makes it extra convenient for beginners and improves safety for your Mavic Air 2. Mavic Air 2 features intuitive shooting functions that make aerial photography easier than ever. Spotlight 2.0 keeps the camera locked on a subject while you fly freely. Active Track 3.0 keeps subjects centered. POI 3.0 tracks moving subjects like people and vehicles. Number 4. Pack Light, fly free. At less than 249 grams, it weighs about as much as an apple and fits in the palm of your hand. Along with 4K/30fps video and a 3-axis motorized gimbal, Mini 2 ensures stunning image quality that is consistently smooth no matter how adventurous your piloting gets. Mini 2 supports up to 10 km of HD video transmission and has excellent anti-interference capabilities, giving you the ability to fly farther and see clearer. Powerful performance: with a max battery life of 31 minutes, G-Mini 2 grants more than enough time to compose the perfect shot. There's no need to get so close for your dream shot. 4x digital zoom makes it safer and more convenient when transitioning between shots of varying distance and composition. Number 5. Even if you don't know how to fly, you can record pro-level videos with easy shots and share them on social media from your smartphone. Tello has two antennas that make video transmission extra stable and a high-capacity battery that offers impressively long flight times. Thanks to all the tech that Tello's packing, like a flight controller powered by DJI, you can perform awesome tricks with this mini drone. Equipped with a high-quality image processor, the Tello drone shoots incredible photos and videos, even if you don't know how to fly. Rise Tech Tello powered by DJI, 4X propellers, pair, propeller guards, set, battery, micro USB cable, propeller removal tool.